It can be very valuable and very fulfilling to be able to tackle some of the challenges that you as a physician see, on a daily basis, and instead of just complaining about those, actually being able to make a difference.
Having particularly the Western Memorial Hospital at your available for you, it's a kind of playground for any engineer, especially biomedical engineer.
You really need to understand as a medical device innovator what need it is that you are solving, what need you're addressing.
These guys, after a month, it was a little bit longer than a month, like 2 months or so, I actually saw them walk out of the burn unit. So it was so gratifying, but the outcome, yes, they were alive, but the outcome was like really not very good. They end up with hypertrophic scars, they end up with contractures, they end up with, it's atrocious, like it's awful. So since then, in my head, it always was like, well, why can't we do anything good for them?
The design world actually has specific, you can almost call them protocols, specific frameworks that they use to identify problems that you might not even notice that you have. There's a lot more to it than just being present in the operating room or being present on the wards and looking for challenging situations. It's not a linear process. It's not, you come up with the idea, the engineers come up with a prototype, and then, the reimbursement people look at something, and then the regulatory people look at something, and then finally when you get FDA approval, you have, the marketing team come and bring your product to market. It can't work in that linear fashion because a lot of those downstream steps have important repercussions on what happens early in the process. Design is not something that just happens randomly by creative people. Design and innovation is a process that anybody can learn.
It's not the typical office job.
I mean, if you're able to change or revolutionize what has been done right now, or what we do right now, what we currently do, and what is going to be done, I think it's great. It's a dream for anyone.